Agicap is our cash management software with which we pay approximately 300 suppliers each and every month. Agicap is a tool that is quite intuitive and easy to use, which was not necessarily the case with our previous software. I am Delphine Kopaki, the financial manager of Girasol Energy. Girasol Energy is a photovoltaic electricity producer. Today we have around 100 plants in operation and more than 600 projects in development. Over the next 5 years, the goal is to raise more than 600 million in debt. In debt management, the first problem is still the SPVs, special purpose vehicles, and loans to be tracked with different maturities. Naturally, this requires a global vision. The second difficulty is a drawdown period that can last from 15 to 18 months, where there is uncertainty about the total amount of debt. There are many types of expenses that need to be tracked by SPV and anticipated for our cash flow needs. Agicap allows us to track the 15 million in debt we have today. It is a holding company that carries the debt. Agicap manages the available cash on the SPVs and processes cash transfers to pay quarterly insurance premiums. In recent years, our business has been impacted by the rise in interest rates. Before having Agicap, we already aimed to place this short-term cash. The Agicap team was somewhat of a trigger, as they convinced us that we could do it and manage it with a tool for mobilized short-term cash. We started discussions with our bankers and concluded a daily placement agreement. So in fact, all of our cash is indeed placed daily in a short-term investment. Agicap is our cash flow forecasting software for the 30 companies in our group. Making these forecasts and integrating them into Agicap requires a certain level of rigor and monitoring. This allows us to have a basis for discussion with the operational team so we can effectively exchange, readjust, and refine our forecasts for the future. In 3 words, I would say that Agicap is intuitive. I would say support for the support of the teams, and responsive because I think it is also a very responsive team to the needs of the clients.